Hi. So, thank you to everyone who said that Sean should give me the GTR. We decided to sell it. Okay, this is my new car. This one I actually am going to drive because it's an automatic. Actually, the GTR was automatic also, but this one I'm actually going to drive because I'm not as afraid of this one. The GTR was like real nice, and this one's real nice too, but it's an Infiniti and I can jam with that. I learned how to drive on an Infiniti QX. What was my Infiniti? WRX. WRX is a Nissan. Oh, or Subaru. It's a what? QX4. Show me my new car. Jimmy. Oh, it stinks. Yeah. I can't reach the pedals. You see my feet? Yep, that is in the air. Okay. Do these work?
Oh, wait, on here.
Vroom, 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 vroom.
This car? No, this one.
It works. See, this is what us lil folk have to do. Got to move it forward almost all the way. Then you move it up. Usually all the way. Yeah, that's all the way. Yeah. Yep, I'd probably move it up all the way. Okay, so this is me and my new car. I hope you guys approve. I think now is time to start rallying to convince Sean to have me use this as my daily driver. My Subaru, I don't know if you guys know my red Subaru, is kind of dying. Oh, it needed to go up more. Okay. It's kind of dying. I think it's coming to the end of its road, with us at least. So I need a new daily driver. And this one would be pretty nice. This would be nice. Very nice. Anyway. Rally, tell Sean to let me have this car.
A second, but that's it? Because that's rough. I didn't even realize that was it because the whole front end's missing. So I thought it was some kind of Versa or something like that. Oh my gosh.
Okay, here's Darilyn's first reaction. Well, you just saw his first reaction. The Q50.
Check that frame rail.
Yeah, look at that frame rail right there.
Yeah, it looks great. How much did you get this for?
Guess.
$2,000.
Okay, so I haven't told you guys price yet, but we're gonna do a guessing game.
Have to.
No, I'm gonna tell because it's my personal car, and I think I got it for a really good deal.
Okay. And then everyone in the comments is gonna be like, "This was the dumbest idea ever. I can't believe you spent that kind of money."
You should have seen his, like, he was clicking, and then like people would just keep bidding, and then at the last time he bid, he was like, "Oh, okay, if they win, then I might just let go." And then we just see the green thing go, and then there's a bonus thing, and then he won, and he just like, oh. Like he was just so like
you didn't want to buy it?
It was totally love-hate.
$9,000.
No.
How much did you actually spend?
You were way closer before.
Oh, really? Okay,
Yeah.
So 3,000?
Okay, so I got it in between. So my winning bid was 2,400.
24 something.
Dang.
No, 2,700.
Dang.
2,700 because then after fees it ended up being 3,500. So I got the 2016 Q50.
How many miles were on it?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Well, I'm getting down.
Total lost vehicle at 2016?
Yeah, so look at all this crap. Okay, so owner one.
Oh, this is the second accident it's been in?
Oh wait, is this one? Yeah.
How many accidents has this been in?
So,
I keep seeing total lost vehicle
owner
over and
one.
over again.
They've owned it for 11 months, and they drove it to like 261 miles. This person bought it, salvage certificate. They owned it for 3 months.
This one, it only had 200 miles on it when it got totaled? Is that what you just said?
Yeah, 261 miles.
Dang.
Because then that's when that one gets it at 261.
Okay.
And then the sketchy thing is the third owner. So then they bought it after this person.
And then the title was issued 4 times?
Look at that crap, but look at the dates and the mileage.
It's the same day. What the? I have never seen anything like that.
It went from 14,000 miles to 63,000 miles in one day.
Yeah, I've never seen anything like that.
Like, and that's why I don't know
Anything about it?
that like how many miles are actually on it.
That's a lot of miles still, though.
63,000.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's how I got it for so cheap.
Oh.
But if that's how many miles are actually on it for 2016, okay,
lot.
that makes sense. So looking at the pictures of it, it's been like it was originally sold at Copart.
Yeah. 16 with 260.
Yeah, with 261 miles on it. It was originally sold at Copart, and then the airbag was blown in that one. What else? It was a front end damage.
The first accident?
The first accident.
How many accidents has it been in?
2.
That's it?
It's been totaled twice. Yeah.
Jeez.
So
It's probably not hard to total it the second time.
no.
Which is why.
Yeah, because they're already like.
What was the first accident? Front?
Front end. And then, but from the pictures of the first one, the dash or like the trim around the center console,
Yeah.
the 2016 trim looks like this.
Oh yeah, the weird little.
It's like weird like that, but the 2016 like stereo surround isn't there anymore. So when it got total at in 2016,
Yeah.
that was there, like this, like kind of textured.
Yeah.
Now it's not textured. So someone has replaced. That's like the 2017.
Oh yeah, with the lines instead of the texture.
Yeah, someone's replaced it. If you look, so check this awesomeness out. Airbag, there's little divots in it. No airbag.
There's no airbag?
Look at that. Push on that.
Oh
So-
yeah.
So it's where it split. You can push in.
Dang.
There's no.
That's super sketch.
So like,
So it was janky rebuild.
yeah, definitely janky. And my idea of it is that this was either
It's your type of
like
rebuild.
a parts car, or yeah. Well, that's why I bought it, man. Because I was like, no one wants this thing. No dealership is going to be able to sell this with its history.
How much did you pay for it again? 2,400?
3,500 after fees.
3,500.
I like my Canon. I'm not saying it's not good. I'm just saying.
They're talking trash on each other's
What
cameras.
do you like? Do you like your Nikon?
I don't have a Nikon. I have a Canon.
Oh, you like your Canon, but you're choosing Nikon, even though, what is this being shot on? This is being shot on a Canon.
I have a
that
Rebel
allowed?
XS.
What?
Oh, that scared me. I didn't know you were that close to me.
We haven't put the.
Oh yeah, you want to put that in?
Me? Yeah.
No, Julian can. Oh, you want to put the filter in?
Yeah.
Julian can show you how to put it in.
Oh, I was your teacher. Now you're teaching me.
Hey, sit down. I'll get a picture of both of you.
Yeah.
Thumbnail.
Wait, see?
And she can look at you all mad, and then I'll. Yeah.
And I'll look all excited.
You need
Yeah.
a video.
Ow. Sitting on this plastic.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, hon, the sunroof's open. My seat's all.
No, make like a mad face.
You gotta look over here. 1, 2, 3.
See how that come out? Alright, go for you.
Yeah, that's mad.
A little bit.
Is that the face I give you when you're? Yeah, look.
Oh no! Oh, where's the key?
Broken.
You have it?
Trash can.
I don't have it.
Oh,
And
Hey,
it's like super
Sean brought it up like I was supposed to prove him
He
wrong.
has a first name. It's.
OSC.
Okay, I gotta go back to work.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
You're
I
not
go out of
gonna-
town this weekend, so I have.
You're not gonna stay away for the SI?
What? That's not supposed to be here. Go ahead and try turning it on.
No, it doesn't have a water pump.
It'll be fine.
Nope.
Yeah, it'll be totally fine.
I don't get why this.
What is that noise?
What? Oh, the
Sound like Chewbacca.
the vent's on.
Hey, Sean, I think you have pigeons in your car.
Mine. Personal. Julian, you want?
Should I go change?
Yeah.
If the SI would be here in the next couple minutes, then I'd stay.
Is it really 4:13?
No, it's not 4. I was gonna say I have to leave at 4.
Alright, go on, go.
No.
Yes, it is. I'm on fire.
Just stay.
I gotta
stay
leave it.
so you can see the SI.
Maybe you'll pass the SI.
I gotta leave at 4.
Yeah.
So I only have like 2 hours of work.
I'll send you a picture of it. You can come back.
Oh wow, it is 2. Okay, I'll come back. Never.
Okay.
I feel like I'm really annoying, and most people comment that I'm annoying. So maybe I should
Hey,
just.
that's because most of don't
No,
put this in.
I'll put some of.
That's because most of his subscribers are 500 years old.
Yeah.
And they're all grumpy old people.